and today I'm going to talk about 5 of the most innovative space companies right now. And I've not included SpaceX in this list because it's playing in a different league of its own. So the first company on our list is trying to test our capability to protect ourselves from some asteroid in case of some unfortunate events. The Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory is a not-for-profit university-affiliated research center. It is working on a space probe that will be aimed at a near-Earth asteroid to see if its impact with that asteroid can change the asteroid's trajectory away from the Earth. This is a mission headed by NASA, and the space probe will be launched using SpaceX Falcon rocket. The mission is planned to be launched in November this year, and the impact with the asteroid will happen in October 2022. To assess the results of this mission, another spacecraft will be launched to this asteroid in 2025. By the way, the name of the asteroid is Didymos. This research center is also developing a spacecraft named Dragon, which is planned to be sent to Titan, one of Jupiter's moon. The mission is planned for June 2027. The next company on our list keeps a track of each and every satellite in the lower Earth orbit. The name of this company is Leo Labs. Their purpose is to manage the traffic in the lower Earth orbit. Yes, you heard that right. There are over thousands of satellites in the lower Earth orbit, and this company not only keeps a track of these, but also of every object floating around over there, as small as a few inches. They get paid to help other companies' satellites avoid accidents. They provide risk management, collision avoidance, and other such things for their clients. Currently, they have 4 radars located in different parts of the world. To be specific, in Costa Rica, New Zealand, Alaska, and Texas. They track every satellite and debris 24/7. These radars are unaffected by any weather conditions. This is how all the tracked satellites look on the map. The name of the third company is Momentus. This company provides something like a service center for the satellites in the lower Earth orbit. These days, the cost of launching satellites is really dropping at a very quick rate thanks to companies like SpaceX. But what if you want to deploy a satellite in extremely precise orbits or change the orbit of your satellite? This is where Momentus helps us. They will act as a space shuttle service. Suppose many satellites are launched to a common orbit using some launcher like the Falcon 9. Now, other space transport vehicles developed by Momentus will carry each and every satellite to their desired location and inclination at the best rates possible. They also provide a facility to keep their space probes connected to the satellites as long as you like, to provide power, orientation, or any other help needed to the satellite. Isn't that amazing? They have 3 such service vehicles under development. These will help in refueling, reorbiting, and repairing satellites in the orbit itself. The next company on our list promises to build a rocket from scratch, starting with raw materials just within 60 days. This is completely insane, and you must be thinking, how is this even possible? The key to such fast rate of production is 3D printing and automation. They have 2 rockets, Terran 1 and Terran R, in development. Terran R is planned to be operational by 2024. It will be fully reusable and capable of carrying 20,000 kgs to the lower Earth orbit. The next version, Terran 1, will be 100% 3D printed and the most innovative product to emerge from the aerospace manufacturing industry since the dawn of privatization of space 20 years ago, as said by the company itself. The 5th company on our list is Slingshot Aerospace. I'm sure you must have wondered how movies like Gravity or The Martian is filmed, and today we have the answer for you. This company's high-tech simulation is the answer. This company's Slingshot laboratory provides simulation for educational purposes to teach the fundamentals of astrodynamics and give the training for space travelers or astronauts. They also provide collision avoidance help to other companies, just like Leo Labs. They also provide AI-based help to other companies' satellites, including everything from design to operation and services. They serve high-profile clients like NASA and the US Air Force. So this was all about the most innovative space companies. working to make space travel even more easier and feasible. Make sure to stay connected for further updates on such topics. Meanwhile, you can have a look at some of my other videos. I'm sure you'll like them. Thank you for watching.